Hi everyone, welcome to my first ever vlog. So this video is going to be a week's worth of vlogs, or at least like what I did within that week. For this video, please expect a trip to Ikea, a small unboxing, maybe a disappointed unboxing of some Squishmallow related stuff, and Corgi Con. So without further ado, let's watch it. I went to this tire shop and I could not stop staring at the ceiling. It was so impressive. I've never seen LED panels in the ceiling like this. But they weren't able to find the leak in my tire, so boo. I saw this My Melody Squishmallow that I really wanted, but I had to leave it behind because smaller Squishmallows usually get forgotten or lost. I know I say that, but then I proceed to buy Squish-a-longs, which is the smallest type of Squishmallow out there. But you see, they're easier to keep in one place, like in one Ziploc bag, so that's what I've been doing with them. I didn't have a microphone yet for this next part of the video, so I apologize. I just picked up the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 today with the assistance of my friend Mark. Mark, thank you, Mark, if you're watching this video. And I wanted to test it out with unboxing some Squishmallows that we just bought today at Target, specifically Squish-a-longs. If you already didn't know, I collect Squishmallows from the biggest, fluffiest ones to the teeny tiniest ones, as in the Squish-a-longs. So Squish-a-longs is a spin-off from Squishmallows, which is owned by the company Jazzwares. And lately they've been releasing miniature Squishmallows, and they're not fluffy like, you know, the regular Squishmallows that you see at the store. They are hard plastic. I got two, so let's start with this mushroom looking box. Oh. What? This is so cute. Hold up. Oh. We of course got the mushroom, the frog. This is the last one for this package, I think. A broken one. Okay, I have never gotten a broken Squish-a-long before. Squishmallows, if you are watching this, I think this lot or whatever this is needs a recall because this Squish-a-long is missing its top. Now we're going to open this next one. Oh, we got this cat Squishmallow. I hope this doesn't have any like errors because the first one was really sad. Dragon. I think I have one of these in like the tiny like hug me's. Is a cat. Is it a cat? Yeah, it is a cat. Is it a cat? Yeah, it's a cat. I thought it looked like a pig, but it's a cat. It's a cat. Please don't be broken. Oh, it's a winking strawberry. Look, look, look. It's a winking strawberry. I hope this message reaches Squishmallows because this is just sad. I think it is missing an antenna. I just had my nails done. I had a vision and he executed it well. What do you guys think? Today we're at Ikea and I'm looking into getting a new desk, a new work desk for me, since I want something more comfortable and something wider. My current desk is a little short, a little narrow. I don't mind the narrowness of the desk, but I would like a newer desk and maybe some more storage units, just so that I could be like more organized this semester and as I'm getting more serious into content creation. So without further ado, let's go to Ikea. Another reason why I'm at Ikea is because I'm practicing vlogging in public, and it's a little nerve-wracking and I'm nervous, but it helps to have like changing environments, if that makes sense. This is the desk that I want, but I want the longer version of this one. I love coming here because there's always so much to see and it's always decorated really well. I like how immersive the showrooms are. Like, it's as if you walked into someone's apartment. Beautiful. Poing. What is it called? It's called Poing. Poing. Erwin's is insisting that this hole over here is for a cat or for a pet.
It'd be perfect for them. Put a little, like, put some like bed lining here.
Granholt, Tranholt, Bergsholt, Tranholt, Goholt. We've reached like the kitchen area and my eyes just got like bigger. Everything is so beautiful. What? Oh, that's beautiful. Little corner. Secret tunnel. And it opens up to this wide kitchen. Beautiful. Nice. We've reached the desk area. Ooh. This is what we were looking at. It might be too low. Oops. I'm planning to get one of these too. We've reached the warehouse area of Ikea. Got some other things, and then of course the desk from Ikea. Thank you, Roman.
You're welcome.
So we got a new desk for me at Ikea. I don't know about you, but I feel tired from all of that walking. Moving on to the rest of the day. Let's stay tuned. After Ikea, we went to go get my car washed because we got this free wash coupon for this new car wash in town from Seattle called Ducky's Car Wash. The customer service was great. We were helped by someone nice and knowledgeable. However, my car didn't drive properly, and my usual drive-through place with no attendant does it better. Then we went to Best Buy to get a secondary monitor for me. I had been thinking about getting a secondary monitor for years, but I've never been convinced until now. And now that I have it, I'm getting a lot more done, and I'm really happy about that.
Throws it in there. I guess. I don't want to. Right there. Sure. So, 2 boxes to bring in.
Today is Corgi Con Day.
Woo, corgis!
Billy, thank you for winning us the tickets. We already saw that there's food trucks, so we'll probably like get some food and try it out. Most of all, to see some corgis and some corgi butts.
Corgi butts.
Yeah. What are you excited for, Billy?
I'm excited to see them race and be really fast.
I know. I want to see them
Oh.
race. I'm excited for the Ninja Warrior.
Ninja Warrior, that's
You
later on,
train
right?
your corgi to do that?
Oh, and the merch too. Some of the stickers and stuff look so
Dude,
cute.
the merch was sold out online.
Yeah, it's all sold
What?
out. All their merch online is sold out. Corgi, corgi, corgi. Where's our corgi con?
Yay! Woo! That's a big corgi.
Where?
Cute.
Checking out some vendors.
Wait, this one's so cute.
Where?
It's a pug one.
Eee, cute. Oh.
Babies!
Where?
Right there!
Oh my
Babies!
god! Corgi puppies! Aww.
I need one.
Cute. They've really grown from like, you know, just from being at the beach in San Francisco to like this whole thing with like vendors and food trucks. Look at this fairy corgi.
Oh.
Aww.
Cute.
Aww. Sure, we'll find a window. It's so many corgis in one spot.
Wow.
So many corgis in one spot. Oh, cute! Oh.
She's like, oh, I already did that.
If I somehow find a Dorgi today, my day will be complete.
Yes. Time to adopt one.
So a Dorgi, if you guys didn't know, is a cross between a Dachshund and a Corgi.
Oh.
Ooh.
I think we need a handler on that one.
The hamburger one.
So many Corgis. Oh. Oh. You said your favorite shade or favorite coat of Corgi is
I would say the ones that are light looking, the ones that look
Yeah.
like sourdough bread.
sourdough bread.
Yeah.
Oh. Wait, there's a lot in front of us right here.
Yeah.
How can you not love these adorable little loaves? I like how they're all dressed up, and we even saw Corgi playing soccer. We only got a chance to try one food truck because we waited a little over an hour to get this frozen yogurt, which turned out to be ice cream. Although it wasn't as advertised, it was still good in the end, but we felt bad for the girl that was working by herself. The line was long and it continued to be that way. The Ninja Warrior was actually just an agility course for corgis, and it was so cute and entertaining to watch.
I'll probably start going up now. With people covering now. I'm like, boo.
I ended CorgiCon with a drink, a rosé called Canpanion, very fitting. And that's it for this vlog. Make sure to like and subscribe. See ya!
Butterfly, I'm good to you, I'm good to you, and baby, even all the worst time.